In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render translucent spheres being held by nets. Let's add a UV sphere. Please match my settings. "16 segments and 8 rings will do. Let's add the decimate, the wireframe, the bevel, and the subsurf modifiers. We should drag the subsurf modifier to the top of the list. Let's proportionally pull this vertex upward. Let's add a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and S to scale. I'll add the transparent and the emission nodes. Shift D to duplicate. Let's apply unique colors. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.